been really warm out the last few days. Now, let's see, what time is it? Oh, I can't check right now, but I know it's around 4:30. The sun should be somewhere over there, wherever that bright spot is. Look at this thick shit, and that pattern, it's like scalar waves. I don't know how anyone can look at that and think it's natural. I know I say it all the time, but it's just like, it's so obvious. No wonder you can't tell if you're ever hitting anything. It's got so many holes in it. Sasha. You're a good pooch. Tried to introduce her to my friend the other day, and yeah, she wanted to rip his face off. But she's sweet to me. It's just terrible. Just freaking terrible.